In this video, Garrett Hill, a living kidney donor and the founder and CEO of the National Kidney Registry, and Dr. Robert Montgomery, chair of the Department of Surgery and director of New York University's Langone's Transplant Institute, discuss how paired exchange contributes to eplet mismatch donation.
This is a fun question. About 20 years ago, you and your team innovated, in my opinion, the greatest innovation in paired exchange, which was the domino chain. And the domino chain starts with Good Samaritan donor and then, sets up a series of dominoes. That innovation increased the power of paired exchange by at least 10x because you didn't have to get back from the pair you were giving to. That innovation is the foundation of what we're doing today. Just how do you feel about that? Because this has come full circle now, because this innovation couldn't have happened without that. And that was like 20 years ago, right?
That was 20 years ago. Yeah, I mean, it's extraordinary. I don't think we had any idea where this was going to lead. I think we were looking through a keyhole. We knew it was important, but I don't think we knew that it was going to lead to almost 1,000 additional transplants a year in the United States. And so, the full circle part of it, I've in my journey during that 20 years, I've come really close to dying several times with my genetic heart problem. And for whatever reason, I'm still here against all odds, really. And it feels to me like there's that's not a random thing, that I'm here for a reason, and part of it is to see this thing through as it goes full circle. I just need to, continue to work with you and others, on making that a reality, because I think it's going to have a gigantic impact on our patients' lives. And the single biggest problem that we have in kidney transplantation now is that the organs have a half-life. So, for a deceased donor organ, 50% of them are lost between 8 and 10 years after the transplant. And, if you think about that, if you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, that means you're going to have 3, or 4 transplants during your life. For living donors, it's about twice that. It's about 18 to 20 years. But look, if we're onto something here that can change that math, it's going to be one of the most important things that any of us can do in our lives. So I'm super excited about this, and we're going to make this thing happen. You and I and all the others who are working with us so hard on this. So I couldn't be more thrilled to be here and to be involved in this.